Welcome back, everyone. I'll go ahead and show you exactly how to reverse a video on TikTok. Now, this process is very easy. It doesn't require doing any crazy things, whatever. All you want to do is go ahead and hop into TikTok. Okay, you want to go ahead and click on this little plus option right here, and you'll come into this little page. Now, you want to either import a TikTok right here, or you want to make your own TikTok. So what I'll do is a very basic one. What I'll go ahead and do is keep it zoomed out like this, and I'll go ahead and zoom in, and you will see that once I stop. And now the video is pretty much just me zoomed out and then me zooming in. So now what I can go ahead and do is I can go and click this little plus button right here, and you can see that it shows me zoomed out and then zoomed in. So reverse, it should be zoomed in then zoomed out. You know what I mean? So if you're following along, you'll basically keep track of how this video is reversed. So what you want to do now is you want to look at the bottom right here, and there's a little option called effects. So what you want to do is you want to hit effects right here. You see a couple of different options down here, but at the very bottom where it says visual, what you want to do is you want to scroll this over, and you'll see a little time section right there. Now this is very, very important. What you want to do at this point, it's very easy. All you want to do is tap on that little option, and you'll get a couple of different things. You'll get none first, you'll get reverse, whatever these other things, but right now we're focused on reverse. So what we want to do is we want to go ahead and tap on reverse, and now the video is zoomed in and now it zooms out. So it reverses the video. So that's really pretty much the process. It'll go ahead and reverse the video, and from here you can go and edit however you want to. You can go back to visual, but once you're done, you can go and click save on the top right corner and post the video. If you have specific segments you want to reverse or whatever, you have that option here too. But that's really pretty much the process. Now, if you want to disable the reverse, basically the same process. You go back to time, and instead of clicking reverse, you go and click none. Now it goes back to being zoomed out and zoomed in. So that's really pretty much the process. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also, check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.